Hello friends, welcome to learn Coreldraw. Now let us continue our tool Artistic Media. Today in Artistic Media we see Calligraphic Tool. Okay, it is mostly used for text writing. Suppose here I want to draw something. Om. Okay, you can here increase or decrease the size as well as you can also here change the angle. You can also give text color. Sorry, you can also fill the color. Okay, like this you can use calligraphic. Okay, you can also decrease the size and rotate the angle. Okay, calligraphic mostly used to write any text. Suppose we want to write something. Okay, you can also change the, as I said, you can also change the angle. Okay, we can also use this calligraphic for outline purpose. For example, suppose we want to draw something like this. And now use the bezier and draw something within this shape. Fill it with color and suppose order back of the page. Okay, you can also remove the outline like this also. This is not match. Like this also you can use artistic media tool. Suppose decrease some size like this. You can make anything as per your choice, as per your logic. Let us decrease the size and draw here eye. Okay, here also you can make some shape within this. You can also adjust this shape with the help of shape tool. Okay, let us decrease the size of eyes. Yeah, it is better. Like this you can create a any shape with the help of artistic media. Let you show one assignment. Use draw with the help of artistic media. Okay, you can draw this assignment by the using artistic media stroke. This is very simple. Strokes are not perfect. You can draw as per the your logic. You can also edit this shape. You can also make the changes to this shape. Okay, this is very simple assignment of artistic media. Now The next one tool is pressure tool. Okay, this tool has the same stroke. Like this, you can use here same stroke. This can be also used for writing any name. Suppose you want to write a name. If you don't want to use the perfect font, in that case you can use this pressure tool because it has uniform stroke. Okay, if you want only outline, then click on no fill and go to outline and choose any outline stroke. Like this, you can also use the hello shape. And if we use pressure, then some part are get intersected. No fill and use the stroke. Here is some part are get intersected. These two like preset tools, you can also use these tools to draw something. Okay, you can make the use of calligraphic and pressure tool as per your requirement. Okay, thank you for watching the lecture. We will continue in next lecture.